What's up, guys? It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back with another video for you guys today. I just want to start off saying Happy New Year. 2018 was a very stressful year, but this is the year to be in your bag, as you already know. Today, the company I will be working with is OMGHERHAIR. I love this company, y'all. The shipping is always like 2 to 3 days. It comes with bleach knots. You can get a removable, adjustable strap and everything. Like, love it. On this side, you know, you have their contact information. You can follow their Instagram at OMGHERHAIR, YouTube at OMGHERHAIR, Facebook OMGHERHAIR, and Twitter. And then their website is OMGHERHAIR.com. Just the information about the wig. This is an ombre lace front wig. It is a 4.5 Deep Part Ombre lace wig. And again, I got this from OMGHERHAIR.com. The direct wig link will of course be in the description box. And then you can save $10 off on any orders over $100 by using my code Nicole10. That will also be listed in the description box. Specs about this wig, like I said, is a 4.5 inch Deep Part Ombre lace front wig. It's 180% density, and it's Indian Remy human hair loose wave. The code for this is ILW48. The hairline does come pre-plucked. The hair texture is loose wave. The length is 22 inches, 180 density, and then it's in the color T1B427. Wig cap, 4.5 part glueless lace front wig, lace color light brown, and wig size small, which is a circumference of 21.5 inches. You have the wig, of course. And then it has the information again listed on the bag on the wig. You get a comb, an adjustable strap, a wig cap, and then their OMGHERHAIR brochure, maintenance brochure. And this is what the wig looks like. I love the color. The color is gorgeous, I think. Perfect for this season. You know, highlights and ombres and light browns are in right now. This is the inside. As you can see, you can have the 4.5 parting space, and then the lace fronts on the sides right here. Comes with 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back, and then you have the lace in the back, and then you have some adjustable straps. Get you your foundation. I'm just gonna use my Fenty foundation that I have. This is in the color Pro Filter 360. I'm just gonna put some on my cap. Now you're gonna take the same foundation you used for your cap and gonna just put that on the inside of your lace. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take some freeze spray just to pull back my baby hairs and edges on the frontal, just so they'll be out of the way. We're going to start cutting. take you some 91% alcohol, and a cotton swab and just clean your forehead just so the glue can stick. Now I'm going to take Ghost Bond Platinum, as you can see. I am getting a few snags, but nothing major. So that side's done, and this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna take my satin head wrap and I'm going to wrap my edges just so the glue has time to fully set. I'm not gonna do too much for styling. Just going to take my Babyliss Pro Titanium straightener, and I have it set on 450. And I'm just going to do some loose waves, nothing dramatic. take your hot comb. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Again, this is OMG Her Hair. This is their 22-inch 4.5 deep parting glueless lace front wig, ombre style. You can purchase this unit at OMGHERHAIR.com. You can get $10 off any $100 order through their website using my code Nicole10. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.